everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Now let me ask you, have you ever felt like your hair just needs a little extra TLC? You know that feeling when it's frizzy, dry, or just doesn't have that smooth, healthy bounce it once did? Well, today we're talking about something that promises to restore and smooth your hair to its former glory, Davines OI Conditioner. This smoothing conditioner is designed for normal to all hair types, including chemically treated hair, and aims to soften and restore lackluster strands. Sounds pretty good, right? But let's dive deeper into what this product really has to offer. First up, let's talk about the key features. The Davines OI Conditioner has a creamy formula packed with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in protecting the hair from environmental damage and adding that coveted shine. Plus, it's gluten-free, so it's a great option for those with sensitivities or dietary preferences. It's specifically formulated for frizzy hair, which is a huge bonus for anyone dealing with flyaways or unruly locks. When I first incorporated this conditioner into my routine, I was eager to see if it lived up to its smoothing promises. The first thing I noticed was the texture. It's incredibly rich and creamy, but not too heavy. It glides through the hair effortlessly, which made it easy to apply. I left it on for a few minutes, as instructed, and rinsed it out. Immediately, I could tell my hair felt softer and smoother. But the real test came once my hair dried. After styling, my hair was noticeably shinier and more manageable, without that weighed down feeling that some conditioners can leave behind. It really did smooth out the frizz, and my hair felt much healthier overall. I was impressed by how lightweight the formula felt, while still delivering such impressive results. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, this conditioner definitely does what it says. It smooths, softens, and restores chemically treated hair. It also gives a nice shine and reduces frizz without being too heavy or greasy. The scent is subtle and pleasant, and the product is easy to use. It also works well with other styling products in my routine, which I appreciate. On the downside, the only thing I would note is that if you have extremely dry hair, you might need to pair it with a more intensive treatment from time to time. It's great for everyday use, but for deep hydration, it may not be enough on its own for very damaged hair. When it comes to value for money, Davines OI Conditioner sits at a mid to high price point. Given its performance and the fact that it's free from gluten and full of antioxidants, I do think it's worth it, especially for anyone with frizzy or chemically treated hair. That being said, if you're on a tighter budget, there are similar smoothing conditioners out there, though you might not get the same high-end experience. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional, with a sturdy bottle that dispenses just the right amount of product, so you don't waste any. The conditioner itself lasts quite a while, even with regular use, which justifies its price. If you're looking for a smoother, more manageable hair experience, Davines OI Conditioner definitely checks the box. Its creamy formula really does work to restore hair, leaving it looking healthier and feeling softer. The lightweight nature of the conditioner makes it suitable for most hair types, but if you have extremely dry or damaged hair, you might want to pair it with something more hydrating. If you're interested in trying out this product, make sure to check out the link in the description or comments below. And if you've used it yourself, drop a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.